Hello, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to our day 9 of 30 Days Shadowing series. I guess you are doing exceptionally great in your life, and I see so many of you are practicing with this shadowing series. Well done for this. And if you are new here, this is your first time here. So, this is our 30 days shadowing series, which we are following to improve your fluency, rhythm, pronunciation, intonation, and whatnot. So, what exactly we do here? Every day I come here with new topic. I speak one sentence for that topic and then I pause for 2 to 3 seconds. Meanwhile, you repeat that sentence. Again, I carry on with that another sentence. This way, I speak over that single topic around 2 minutes, 1 and 2 minutes around. So we have already completed 8 days and this is our ninth day of practicing. If you haven't started yet, no problem at all. You can start today with this video. The topic for the day is a day when nothing went as planned. Have you ever had one of those days when everything seems to go wrong? Well, I had one such day and I still remember it clearly. It started on Monday morning. I had planned my entire day the night before. I was supposed to wake up early, finish some important work, shoot a video, and relax in the evening. Everything looked perfectly organized, but things took an unexpected turn. I overslept because my alarm didn't go off. I woke up late and immediately realized that I was running behind schedule. I quickly got up, but while having breakfast, I accidentally spilled tea on my clothes. At that point, I was really frustrated. Still, I told myself, it's okay, I can handle it. I changed my clothes and started working. Unfortunately, my internet connection suddenly stopped working. I tried restarting the router, but nothing happened. I spent almost an hour trying to fix it. But the time internet came back, I had lost my motivation. Later, I decided to shoot my video. I set everything up, adjusted my camera, fixed the lighting, and I started recording. And guess what? My phone ran out of storage. The recording stopped in the middle. I just stood there thinking, seriously? What else could possibly go wrong now? But the day wasn't finished yet. In the evening, I had planned to go out, but it suddenly started pouring. So I cancelled my plans and stayed at home. At first, I was really annoyed because nothing had gone according to the plan. But later, I realized something important. Sometimes, no matter how clearly we plan our day, life has its own plans. That day taught me to go with the flow, stay patient, and not let small problems ruin my entire mood. Looking back, I can actually laugh about it. It was definitely a day when nothing went as planned. But perhaps that was exactly what made it memorable. Well done. So here we have completed our day 9 of shadowing series. Now listen to me here. Your work hasn't completed yet. You again play this video. First time, watch it with full focus. Second time, notice my tone, intonation, rhythm, pronunciation. Third time, you watch it with confidence, and this time, third time, you have to speak with confidence. And if you are really serious about your learning English, then follow this series till the end of 30 days. And I do provide spoken English classes. You must contact me here and join my spoken English course. This is budget friendly and this is also 6 days in a week. I do provide pro level of classes. All right. So if you are interested, contact to me here. I will see you in the next video tomorrow in our day 10 of shadowing series. Bye bye. Have a nice day.